going to be discussing and teaching you about Al-Biruni. To begin, I will tell you some of his background. He lived from 973 CE to 1050 CE, and during the time he lived, in the late 10th and early 11th century, was a time period when the Islamic world was at great unrest due to civil wars in the region, and the whole situation was a major role in his life. Now into the contributions. As stated, Al-Biruni was an Islamic mathematician, but he was also much more. He was a philosopher, astronomer, physicist, and mathematician, as I've stated before. He has contributed to many fields of study and research. He is mostly known for his works, research, and findings in some of the science fields, which ties into math greatly.
Right.
His science field research findings are as follows. He introduced techniques to measure the Earth and the distances on the Earth using triangulation. I know what most of you are thinking, what the heck is triangulation? Triangulation is used in trigonometry and geometry. It is the process of determining the location of a point by measuring angles to it from a known point and of a fixed baseline, rather than measuring distances to a point directly. And knowing that, he found the radius of the Earth to be 6,339.6 kilometers. And as a side note, the value of the Earth's radius, was not obtained in the West until the 16th century. He also contributed to mathematics in the sense that he helped lay the foundation for trigonometry, such as things we have learned in class like sine, cosine, and tangent. Now, hopefully, as I've been teaching you, I hope you have been able to see how it is applicable to modern day and to your lives in your math classes. But if not, I will show you a few more examples. The following pictures are examples of artwork seen in Islam and Islamic culture. They are a further example of intricate designs artists used to create from geometry methods, such as creating perpendicular lines and dividing segments into equal parts. And in Islamic, geometry was intimately tied to Islamic art, and Islamic geometry developed around the flat two-dimensional art of intricate and infinite designs and patterns. To conclude my lesson, I hope you have been able to learn and see how Islamic mathematics are used today, and in general what they are. And most importantly, know who Al-Biruni is, a man you probably never even heard before. So I thank you for your time and attention.